Hey everybody, I wanted to welcome you to Speech 1311, that's Introduction to Speech Communication. And I wanted to give you a little overview of our class. You can see the home page. Should be what you're looking at when you log in. I will have announcements here so you can see what's going on, any updates that you need to be aware of. What you want to look at probably first is this Content tab right here. And if you look at Overview, you will see my introduction to the course, and that is shortly to be updated with the syllabus for this class. If you look further down on the left-hand side here, you'll see the weeks of the module, their due dates, and the time that those are due. That's every Sunday by 11:59 p.m. If we click on week 1, you can see that I have a little cartoon, little discussion of what we're going to be going over, and then you can see your assignments for that week. Clicking on week 2, you can see kind of the same sort of layout for what's going on. If any of the instructions are not clear for anything, please get with me as quickly as possible so that I can make changes to make it more clear or can explain to you a little bit better. The next tab that you're going to want to look at here is the Grades tab, and as you can see here, it says dropped. That says dropped before you've ever turned anything in. And the reason why it says dropped is because I've already set the D2L grading scheme to drop the 2 lowest grades. The more you turn in, the more I grade. That's going to move around because it's just set to drop the 2 lowest grades. If you want a quick overview, in this Course Activities tab, you can see your assignments and whether or not you have submitted those successfully. You can also find quizzes and whether you have submitted those successfully. And the other thing that you'll want to look at here is your email tab. That's going to be the most likely place to get a hold of me or fellow students in the class as we continue through this semester and as you work with a group. We're going to have a group project. So I invite you to take a look over the syllabus. I invite you to kind of wander your way through the class and see how it's set up. And I'm looking forward to working with you this semester.